Hey everyone, I want to welcome you to our newest listing at 264 East Locust in downtown Shelley. This home offers over 2,700 square feet, has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a large 2-car garage, and sits on a beautiful lot on the corner. The basement of this home has been renovated, but the upstairs, it needs a little TLC. But this makes it perfect for first-time home buyers who want to put in a little work and get some equity out, or for an investor. Come check it out. If you would like a showing of this house or any other house that we have listed, shoot me a DM or put a comment below.